This is how my day is going. It is going good. It's a beautiful day out in Bryan, Texas. Look at this guy. That's a nice machine you got there. Oh, every side's good. You're having a great day here in Bryan, Texas.
I like your girl shoes that you got too.
Oh my goodness.
Those are my wife. You better give them back.
Oh shit. Hey, where are you going?
Hurry up, get your work.
Okay.
Hey, we got them too. Hey, si no capen, le vamos a echar la troca también.
If it don't fit, we're gonna put it in the truck too. Okay.